Every time when I enter the center, guess guys all of them they could mentor. Fake rappers all of them they surrender.
You want me to suffocate so?
I will feel it. If I kidnap anybody now.
Sorry,
man, I not
there. So, maybe see here, me no.
Yeah, you don't go this morning.
I tell you, you know the understand.
Do you want me to
Anytime I wake up, that you don't say something also.
Pass this street. That's it. Bros, I beg.
You know, get her.
Bros, I beg now.
Oh yeah, inside. For this beanie, they tell me saying I don't talk.
Nonsense! I told them I'm Dr. T. They refused to listen. I said, get go down!
Beg.
Go down!
Go down there. I tell you say this work not good. Me tell you say this work.
Somebody
told you that he's Dr. T. Did
No.
you bother to ask the
No.
T?
No,
No,
sorry.
I'm a traditional man.
Foolish people.